It's your girl Natty Nat, and I'm back with Philly's Funny Family. Back with another video. Come do Papa. So tonight I decided to have my salad on camera. Hopefully we can get some good burps in, because y'all all know the salad will do it, baby. My man hooked my salad up tonight. So got a little bit of egg, I got some lettuce, of course, tomato, onion, a little bit of shredded cheese, got some Caesar croutons, you know, the little brown things that you see, that's what that is. Got a little bit of turkey hidden in here somewhere. It's just amazing. That's all I can really say. Like, it's so gorgeous. So I'm going to get in. I'm going to get in, and I hope you guys can enjoy while I enjoy. Okay? So, how everyone's day go? You guys can comment down below if you want to have a conversation. Let me know. Let me know how you guys feel. But, yeah. For those who want to follow me, I'm starting a new journey. So, be on the lookout. Because I can still do my little mukbangs, but it will be with more so healthy stuff. Hmm? Bang 'em. We're looking the salad up, y'all. Better than the restaurant. Drop my croutons. I'm tired. But I had to eat my veggies. Look at that. Tomatoes. And this is dinner. I don't need nothing else. I'm quite after this. Good H2O, okay? No Kool-Aid. H2O. Excuse me. I told you they gonna be coming. It's salad. You guys know how these go. I don't know if I'm gonna finish this though, y'all. Maybe with the burps, I might have a little bit more room. But I don't like to be full either. So we shall see, right? I'm forgetting about my good old croutons. Crunchy, y'all. Very crunchy. Sorry. Some people like it. Some people don't. But all I can say is it's spiking. Mm, 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 mm. I'm getting a little full, fam. Tired. It's a little late. Shouldn't be eating this late, but I didn't get a chance to eat early, too. Good burps. I told y'all salad. Some more agua. That's what you call. Good eating. Topped off with great things. So, at the end of the day, I think I'm about done.
Can I walk past here?
No, I'm almost done. Don't come under here. This is what's left, guys. I can't eat anymore. I'm stuffed
No one wants to see you
to the
snacking.
T. Mind your business. I'm already done. Good thing you weren't in here. That's why I stayed in here. So, I was going to say, I know I would have known my son. But who cares? I'm making video and content for our family. Because that's what they asked for. So, that being said, always keep God first. And remember, guys, we have to love ourselves before we can love others. Till we meet again.